Despite a few twists and turns, the route from Khaosan Road to Phra Arthit Pier is reasonably straightforward. There's a link to a map in the description. At the police station end of Khaosan Road, turn right. Follow the temple wall as it turns left along Soi Rambuttri, then left again at the next corner. Take the first right into narrow Soi Chana Songkhram, and at the end go right again along the main road. About 100 meters on the left, immediately before one of Bangkok's many 7-Eleven stores, a small alley lined with stalls, some would call it a passage, leads to the river and Phra Arthit Pier. The best option is to buy a ticket for the next boat heading to your destination. If that's unclear, perhaps due to a language barrier, ask for an orange ticket which will be for a Chao Phraya Express Boat. The ticket itself will be white, but orange refers to the colour of the triangular flag at the back of the boat. Between 10 AM and 3 PM, you may instead be given a yellow ticket. This is fine, just board a boat flying a yellow triangular flag. Chao Phraya Express Boats run frequently throughout the day and stop at all piers, popular with tourists. Fares are affordable. Blue flag, hop-on hop-off tourist boats also leave from Phra Arthit, stopping at piers popular with tourists. While more expensive, they offer better views from the upper deck. If the ticket counter is closed, buy a ticket from the conductor on the boat. Most tourist sites, including the Grand Palace, Wat Pho and Wat Arun, are situated downstream, to the left as you face the river. Our video called Bangkok River Taxis provides more information to help visitors use the city's river transport effectively. If you want to hear facts and stories about the sites as they pass, there's also a free commentary available to watch and listen to as you cruise down the river. It's easy to download from our website, goingtobangkok.com. You merely have to follow the instructions. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Bangkok travel tips.